Cultivating success. The importance of soil preparation before planting. Successful gardening begins with the foundation, the soil. Proper soil preparation is a crucial step that significantly influences the health and productivity of your plants. Using a soil preparer is an effective way to ensure that your soil is optimized for plant growth, providing a nutrient-rich environment for seeds and seedlings to thrive. In this article, we will explore the importance of soil preparation and the benefits of using a soil preparer before planting. Understanding soil preparation. Soil preparation involves a series of practices aimed at improving the physical and chemical properties of the soil. This process creates an optimal environment for plant roots to access nutrients, water, and air. The goal is to create a loose, well-aerated soil structure that promotes root development and facilitates the absorption of essential elements. Benefits of soil preparation. A. Improved nutrient availability. One of the primary benefits of soil preparation is enhanced nutrient availability. Breaking up compacted soil and incorporating organic matter allows for better nutrient absorption by plant roots. This is vital for the development of healthy, vigorous plants. B. Enhanced water retention. Well-prepared soil has improved water retention capacity. This is especially important during dry periods, as it ensures that plants have access to an adequate water supply. Properly prepared soil also helps prevent waterlogged conditions, which can be detrimental to plant health. C. Facilitated root growth. Loose, well-aerated soil provides an ideal environment for root growth. This is essential for plants to establish a strong foundation and efficiently absorb nutrients. Soil preparers, such as tillers and cultivators, break up compacted soil, creating a welcoming space for roots to explore. D. Weed suppression. Adequate soil preparation can help suppress weed growth by disrupting the weed's germination and establishment process. By creating a healthy and competitive environment for your desired plants, you reduce the competition for nutrients and space. Using a soil preparer. A. Tillers and cultivators. Mechanized tools like tillers and cultivators are invaluable for large-scale soil preparation. These machines break up compacted soil, incorporate organic matter, and create a fine, crumbly texture that is ideal for planting. B. Hand tools. For smaller gardening projects. Hand tools like spades, aws, and hoes can be used to prepare the soil effectively. While the process may be more labor-intensive, it allows for precision and is suitable for smaller garden beds. Steps for soil preparation. A. Clear the area. Remove any debris, rocks, or existing vegetation from the planting area. B. Till the soil. Use a soil preparer to till the soil, breaking up compacted layers and creating a loose, friable texture. C. Incorporate organic matter. Mix in well-rotted compost or organic matter to improve soil. D. Level and smooth. Level the soil surface to create a uniform planting bed, ensuring even water distribution. Investing time and effort in soil preparation before planting is a wise strategy for any gardener. Whether you're cultivating a small backyard garden or managing a larger agricultural plot, the benefits of well-prepared soil are numerous. By utilizing soil preparers and following proper soil preparation practices, you set the stage for healthy plant growth, robust yields, and a thriving garden ecosystem. Remember, a little preparation in the soil goes a long way in reaping the rewards of a successful harvest.